Hi everyone, this is Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. At the end of the video, we will show option chart. Today market open September 27, market open near to 39,000 range. Every day we are going to analyze live market calls, like how calls are generating in this chart, how that call is performing in live market. Okay, we are going to show in live only. Previous day a sell call generated, so the trend is following on. Once the trend changes means you will receive call like this. Now a buy call generated. Today first fresh call is this buy call. Due to buy call, the green color candle opened. From that open point is the entry point. Buy at 38,955.30 is the entry point for the Bank Nifty future traders. Meanwhile, for option traders, you can take call option when the market price came to the entry point. And above green color line is target, bottom red color line is the stop loss line. The first target is showing 97 point difference, so we are waiting to see how the market will react, either it will go up or down. Like this, you will receive every day live market calls on daily basis. After 15 minutes, market is finally showing a positive momentum. First 10 minutes, market traded at entry point range only. After 5 minutes, again market moved up. Now the target is reached. A 100-point movement given within 20 minutes of the trading. So like this today, the market opened, a buy call generated and the target got reached. This is Bank Nifty option chart. Bank Nifty 39,500 call option. 500 point out of the money because the entry point came below 39,000, but we are showing 39,500. So those who are having a low premium traders can also trade. So how much point you can earn, that you can watch the chart, you will get some idea. Like here you want 158 a buy call generated and it moved all the way up to 190. Almost a 40 point movement given. Meanwhile the target range got reached in Bank Nifty future chart. So like this the option chart also will come. If you are interested, if you want this chart means, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the subscription detail, so you will get the idea, and if you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.